Good morning, friends and teachers. My name is Anirudh. Today I am going to do a robotics experiment. Materials required are 3 empty boxes, battery cap, a motor, a switch, a gum bottle, few ice cream sticks, few double-sided tapes, a scissors, few color papers. We need to cut a circle in the matchbox and put the motor. So we need to cut a hole in another matchbox and put the wire in this matchbox. We need to stick this together. We need to connect the switch to the battery cap. Battery caps are connected to the motor wires. Hole is made in the ice cream stick and it is connected to motor. Hole is made. The hole is made in the ice cream stick. Now you need to put it in the motor. We need to connect the legs for the helicopter. I am going to color the windows. Lastly,